The $5 entry pack is the most expensive way to buy. $0.005 per check versus $0.00196 at the 50K tier, a 2.5x spread that rewards guessing your volume up front. That's the part of email list verify nobody puts in the headline. So, is it actually worth your money?
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. Email verification with never expiring pay-as-you-go credits, bulk list cleaning, real-time API, inbox placement testing, and Freedmark or SPF tools, plus a credit-based email finder.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. There's a free tier that genuinely does something. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AIBuilder marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
And the email finder quietly consumes 5 credits per found address. So a 1,000 credit pack finds 200 emails, not 1,000. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, teams cleaning rail sending lists before campaigns, bulk verification at volume rates, with credits that never expire.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if you verify tiny batches occasionally. The entry rate is the worst per check price. Where you mainly want prospecting, the finder burns credits 5 at a time. So, the verdict. Worth it if your team's cleaning rail, sending lists before campaigns. Skip it if you verify tiny batches occasionally.
The complete email list verify dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AIBuilder marketplace website. No sign up.
And if email list verify isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Used email list verify yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts. And we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.